Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new, maximized 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a secure community here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property rests on a 204 square meter lot with a floor area of 330 square meters across 2 levels. Now let's begin. Upon entering the home, you see that it's already elevated about a couple of feet from street level, and once you turn left, you have a carport for 3 vehicles. And what you have here is a mezzanine space which can be used as a driver's quarters, or if you don't have a driver, you can maximize it as an additional storage space. The access is through this staircase over here. And here you can have access towards your kitchen area, and the room over there is the maid's quarters. And now let's head on in. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The house welcomes you with a bright ambiance with a high ceilinged area with a staircase leading to the 2nd level. You have these large windows stretching to the 2nd floor, giving you plenty of ventilation as well. And from here, you have an open living and dining space. You have a high ceiling with beautiful cove lighting for the whole living and dining space. The setup here is you have these large windows on this side, and this is where you can have an L-shaped sofa, and this is where you can have your large widescreen TV for your living space. And on this side, you have your dining space with 2 sliding doors leading out to a patio area. Your dining space is well lit, and if you open these sliding doors, you see that you can close up the screen so that you still have ventilation, but mosquitoes and other insects can come in, which is especially important in our climate. And from here, you see that you have access towards a landscape garden space at the side of the house. This is excellent, especially if you have pets. And on this side, you have an additional open space. You can potentially cover this up in the future and have a nice coffee nook over here. You already have a plant box on this side, giving you some greenery. And if you walk over here, you already have an outdoor laundry space. So you have a sink here, and you already have a plug here for your laundry. You can have this covered in the future. And once you open this up, you have a great view of your dining and living space. From here, you now have access to an open kitchen. Your main kitchen has a C-shaped counter. So this is excellent for having an informal dining space and a couple of stools over here. And you have your sink, a range hood, and there's a nice distance between your stove, your sink, and your refrigerator over here. We call that a working triangle. There should just be 1 to 2 meters between them. And plenty of pantry space all around. And here, you have this door leading out towards the carport area and your maid's quarters. Let's take a quick look. So it's a separate room altogether from the main house. Now let's head back in. From your main kitchen, dining, and living space, let's now take a quick look at the first room, which can serve as a home office, den space, or your first bedroom. This room has an oversized window, which is excellent for ventilation and lighting, and it gives you a great view of your carport area. You already have a provision here for cable, so this is where you can have your large widescreen TV. And this house no longer has a powder room if you want to use this as a bedroom. But if you use this as a den or living space, you can use this room as a powder room or guest bathroom. And once we open it up, it has a unique feature of having a full-length mirror, which gives you the feeling of greater space. But in terms of the design, it already has a full bath area on this side. And it has elegant tiles from the floor to the ceiling. And now, let's take a look at the second level of the house. On an added note, the staircase has a glass design and also has a really warm wood tone, which gives the whole space a very welcoming ambiance. Now let's head on up. This area is excellent for having a really nice chandelier or light fixture. And on an added note, the stairs have a really nice spacing such that it's very easy to go up and down, even for more elderly occupants. And now, let's take a look at your first room, which is your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is facing the southwest side of the property. That's why you have the afternoon sun coming in through here. It has a really spacious and nice square shape. You can easily have a large king or queen sized bed over here, facing your custom cabinetry. This is where you can have your television set and lots of storage space. The flooring has a really nice wooden design, and you also have a sliding door with a screen leading to a balcony. So in the mornings, the sun is on the other side. It's quite cool here. And even in the afternoons and early evenings, this is a great place to relax and just get a breath of fresh air after coming home from a long day of work. Or it's also a great spot if you open this up and make this an additional lounge area for yourself. And now let's head on in. You can see that the second level once again has high ceilings, and you have a provision here for a window type air conditioning unit. if you prefer to have a split type air conditioning unit, we can easily cover this up. And now you have your master walk-in closet and bath. So you have a beautiful dual vanity sink area, a tempered glass shower enclosure with really elegant designs for the tiling, which stretches from the floor to the ceiling. And this is your toilet area. And on the other side, you have plenty of storage space covering this whole side. Let's now take a look at the next room. So you have 4 rooms here in the second floor. Let's now take a look at the third and fourth rooms, which have a shared bathroom. So this third room is great, especially if you have kids that you want them to share a bathroom. If you have young children, this is a great option. You already have built-in cabinetry. And space here for a single bed. You already have a provision here for a window-type air conditioning unit. And once again, even though this room is of a different size than the last room, it still doesn't feel small because of the high ceiling. And if you'd like, since it's very near the master bedroom, you can also use this room as an additional storage area or a potential Zoom room or a room for online meetings. So here you have a shared bathroom with a dual sink space. Here you have the fourth room, which is larger than the last room, and it's also a corner room facing the east side of the property. So you have the morning sun coming in from here. That's why you have this really oversized window to maximize the morning light. And you also have a provision already for a window-type air conditioning unit. Once again, you can appreciate the ceiling heights from here. And you have a larger space for cabinetry. And the nice thing is, it's aligned to the wall here, so it's not sticking out in any way. So you have storage space and a nice study desk area here. And from here, let's go across the hall towards the fifth room where you have a solo bathroom. Let's go. So the fifth room is similar in size as the fourth room. It once again has the same design in terms of the cabinetry. And once again, it has the study area and dresser space with the oversized window and the window-type air conditioning unit provision. But the big difference for this room versus the last two rooms is it has its own bath. And this one has a really nice design for the mirror in terms of the indirect lighting. This almost feels like the bathroom of a hotel. And that ends our quick tour.
For the property features, it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 3-vehicle carport, a living area, a dining area, an open kitchen, a patio space, a landscape garden area, a balcony, a maid's room and a driver's room, And all this just 10 minutes to Alabang and with fast access to Sukat Road and the airport.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this maximized 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. And if you are on Facebook, just click that follow button, or on Instagram, just click that follow button as well. Once again, my name is Bautista from metroguide.realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this well-planned and maximized 5-bedroom house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.